Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Airbase Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Airbase Spend Management Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive platform for managing business spending. It's aimed at businesses of all sizes looking to streamline their expense processes, improve visibility into spending, and enhance financial control. Key features include expense tracking, invoice management, and automated approval workflows. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. Airbase positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to traditional expense management solutions. They highlight ease of use, real-time reporting, and robust security features. Their website emphasizes pricing transparency, although specific costs are only available upon request. They claim to offer integrations with various accounting software, improving efficiency. Availability is widespread, with businesses across various industries utilizing the platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Airbase Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was intuitive, guiding me through the setup with clear instructions. Navigating the interface was a breeze. The dashboard is well designed and presents key financial data in an easily digestible format. I particularly appreciated the automated expense categorization. It saved me a significant amount of time compared to manually entering data. I tested the invoice management feature, and uploading and approving invoices was effortless. The system's performance was excellent. I experienced no lag or glitches during my usage. I had a quick question about a specific report and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a detailed and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated reconciliation. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with the more advanced reporting and customization options. It took me a little while to fully grasp the potential of those features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Airbase. It streamlined our expense management significantly, providing us with much-needed clarity and control. That's my overview of Airbase Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.